Going on YouTube, it's your boy TURBOGOTBANDZ, and I'm back with another video, man. I'm back with another vlog. And I ain't gonna lie, I got on this nigga Kari jacket, bro, because he left that shit in my car. And I ain't gonna lie, the reason why I got on this jacket is because, bro, I got on my work shirt on this bit. I ain't even gonna cap you down, I got on my work shirt on this bit. But anyway, moral of the story is, bro, I got a surprise, man. Well, it's not really, well, it is a surprise because I ain't show y'all the hood initially. But hey, man, we on the way to go and pick up the new hood for the Chrysler 300. Like, bro, I've been procrastinating on making this purchase, and today is the day I'm about to go ahead and just say, F it, blow the bag. And I'm finna go ahead and grab this bitch. So y'all folks just stay tuned with me. I got like a little 30-40 minute ride to go and get this bitch. I gotta go meet this Indian dude, whoever he is, bro. I'm about to meet him so I can get the hood. He said he got a whole warehouse, so we're gonna go. Stay tuned. God damn, get your ass on. I just cut my camera on. This nigga already trying to make a nigga bang out. Get your bitch ass out my way, boy. Nigga ass tripping. Anyways, man, we on the way to go and pick up this goddamn new hood, bro. Now, the crazy thing is, bro, I still got my original hood on there, bro. My original OEM hood. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that hood. I'm gonna probably ask him, like, you know me, I'm gonna try to finesse my way into grabbing, you know, something a little bit more out of his goddamn warehouse. I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna try to grab something else out of that warehouse. I'm gonna see if he can work a deal if I let him keep my OEM one. Like, bro, that shit worth like $100, $150, you know, $200. And I'm gonna ask him, like, bro, hey, man, I give you this OEM hood for the, you know, SRT bumper. Like, you can give me that bumper too, buddy. No cap, because I need that bumper. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I need that bumper, bro. But, hey, I low-key do want to cut up right here, though. I low-key want to cut up, but it is kind of some traffic, bro. And I ain't trying to get caught in no jams. You smell me? God damn, bro. It would be traffic when I'm trying to get through all of this, bro. Like, be for real. Hey, y'all, so we finally back. We back and rolling, man. So right now, bro, we ain't got too much farther to go. We only got probably about like a smooth 20 some odd minutes to go, and we'll be there. So it ain't gonna really take that much longer. But that traffic I was in, it was kind of, it wasn't standstill, but y'all know how that shit be. Like, it be kind of like bumper to bumper, but we still moving on some shit. You feel what I'm saying? So it wasn't that bad, but it did have its, you know, ins and outs with the shit. But, you know, we mainly got out of that bit. And I'm trying to go ahead and give y'all a little cool cut-up session, but these folks all in my way, bro. It's like, I ain't getting no, oh yeah, I ain't even in sport, bro. I'm just irregular. I'm in the regular mode right now due to it's still a little bit of traffic. Like, I could cut up a little bit through this, bro, but I can't get nasty how I want to because of that, bro. But hey, man, I want to give y'all some good cut up videos, but hey, this not gonna be that video right now, because this video is about the special motherfucking mod we finna get. So y'all folks gotta rock with me, man. Cut up videos is definitely on the way, bro, because I ain't gonna lie, bro, we are almost at 100% complete with the car, bro. We're almost there. Yeah, so I basically pulled up. Whole time I'm thinking this shit a warehouse. This nigga is not even in a warehouse, bro. Like, bro, you be seeing some crazy shit in this life, bro. Like, it's crazy as fuck. But yeah, man, I'm here. I'm tired as hell. I gotta piss and all type of shit. But yeah, bro, we finna hopefully 9 times out of 10 we get this goddamn hood, bro. Cause, bro, I didn't come all the way out here for no reason, bro. This is him. All right, this is him. So let's go, man. This nigga out here pretty fucking quick. I just texted the nigga, bro. Real shit. This nigga's a dealer, so I don't know, bro. Holmes must be having some shit for real. But hey, man, we finna see, bro. Probably goddamn, you know what I mean? Go ahead, bro. I don't want that shit in my car. Huh? I might just go ahead and throw it on right now.
You have the...
Yeah, I got some tools with me. You have the front bumpers as well?
Yeah, bumpers, yeah.
Are these aluminum?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and throw that on right now. All right, you two, so it's currently the next day, and you feel what I'm saying? I got the 300 right, man. We got the front bumper on there. I mean, we got the hood on the 300 now, bro. Like, the hood looks crazy. I ain't gonna lie, bro. This how the 300 is looking with the hood on there. And I put the grill back in there for now until I get the new bumper. But I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This motherfucker right here looks crazy, bro. I ain't gonna cap. And I still got a lot of shit to do, bro. Like, y'all don't even realize, bro. I got so much more in store for this damn 300, bro. Like, I'm finna get my front windshield tinted. I know that's gonna be next. I'm gonna drop the next video on my front windshield. And then I'm gonna tint the, vinyl wrap the roof black. I'm gonna get the roof black. And then I'm gonna put the trunk black as well. And I'm gonna put my spoiler on. And I got a new diffuser I'm gonna put on as well. I got all of that at my house. So I'm basically just waiting, man. And I ain't gonna lie, bro, this bit looks so good in its natural habitat. Like, bro, my 300 look amazing right now. I'm not gonna cap. But I'm about to give y'all some flybys. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hand the camera and the keys off. Well, I'm gonna hand the keys off to my stunt driver. And you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hand the camera off.
I need a money again, bitch, cause I'm a hustling island nigga. Yeah. Natural born hustler.
I thought he left.
I get locked, I still won't change. I get locked, I still won't change. Never change. I get locked, I still won't change.
Sometimes you talk, we been chillin'. Walk around, chain dangin'.